Ever wondered how some people seem to have an uncanny knack for social media? How they effortlessly command attention and engagement? Welcome to the world of social media mastery. This is where we unravel the secrets behind effective social media use, exposing the immense power it holds. Imagine the opportunities that can open up when you can captivate your audience, build relationships, and amplify your message. Well, it's not magic. It's a skill, and like any skill, it can be learned, honed, and mastered. The journey to social media mastery isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. It's a voyage of discovery, where each step is a lesson learned, each post a new opportunity. It's about building your skills brick by brick, post by post, follower by follower. It demands patience, consistency, and an unquenchable thirst for knowledge. Think of it like the journey of a prominent social media influencer who started from scratch. They faced a sea of challenges, from the daunting task of creating engaging content to the struggle of building a follower base. But they persevered, learning from each setback, refining their strategy with each new insight. And over time, they found success. They built an engaged community, established their unique voice, and transformed their online presence into a powerful tool for influence and impact. Just like our influencer, you too can navigate the social media landscape with grace and command engagement. So, what can you expect from our upcoming trainings and modules? Well, prepare to dive deep into the world of social media. We'll be touching on the art of content creation, mastering the science of analytics and metrics, and exploring the intricacies of engagement strategies. Not to mention, we'll be tackling the nuances of each social media platform. Our goal is to ensure you're equipped with all the skills you need to thrive online. With these trainings, you're not just learning to use social media, you're mastering it. But remember, mastery doesn't happen overnight. It's a journey that requires patience, persistence, and a whole lot of practice. It's about embracing each step, each stumble, and every triumph along the way. This ride towards social media mastery won't be a cakewalk. It will challenge you, push your boundaries, and compel you to think out of the box. But don't worry, it's all part of the process. So gear up, because this is going to be an exciting journey to social media mastery. Stay tuned for more.